In the last video, we focused on sending mail. In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to film yourself unboxing mail that you receive to support small businesses or simply say thank you to the brands that partner with you. Without further ado, let's hop in. So you have a few dynamics when it comes to your mail. You have obviously the mail that you order something and it came. And you can rep the brand in your Instagram stories or pretty much on any platform where you can post a virtual video. Or you may have a situation where someone sent you some Happy Mail. So I did a video about Happy Mail, about me sending Happy Mail, but I do have tech companies that tend to send me stuff as well. So I will show you the two dynamics of how I handle that when things come. So I do recognize this packaging, so I know exactly what this is. This is pretty Peacock Paperie. If I were going to share about this on social media, I would typically, open it for real. And this is just how I do it. If you want to shoot short little clips on your cell phone, I like to shoot the content using the camera app in my phone versus shooting directly in Instagram because it gives me more options to repurpose and to edit the clips in another program. And you would kind of do like different 2 to 3 second clips of you reopening the package. So maybe get super up close and then just pull back really quick. Then the package out could be a shot. And you want to switch up your angles. So I could do, top to bottom. Then I would open it back up. And a lot of times when people send you mail, it has like an insert or something else with their branding that you can include as well. 2 to 3 second clip showing more. And then all I would do is I would take that into InShot, stitch them together, and you don't even need to edit it to the music. You can edit it without music and then add trending audio once you're in Instagram. And then you can put that in your Instagram stories or as a reel, totally up to you. If you put it in your stories, what's nice about that is whatever brand will typically just repost what you posted. So it's a way that you can support that small business by making it easier for them to have content. So it turns your content into like a client testimonial, which is really nice. So Justin designed affirmation cards called Joy Bombs. This is what they look like, which is super great. I'll do what is it? You do the little hand behind. I don't know why they do that. Does it help you focus? I don't know.
As a person? As a manual focuser?
I don't really know why they do that. This is my first time. It's my first day. Joy Bombs is the perfect name for his affirmation cards. So I wanted to support him by doing his pre-order. So again, I could do something very similar where I would take it out of the packaging, show the outside of the box. Typically, when you have something where it's multiple of an item, you can do like a little time lapse on your phone of you just going quickly through it. So that's something that I've done a lot. Both Justin and Natalie were creators that Natalie Frank brought on to design t-shirts for her t-shirt shop. And that's how I found out about them. So you start to realize that creators kind of roll together, and it's a great way to find out about other folks. Luci, who's also in Florida, she created some planners based on 12-week year. And so I actually got a couple. So that would take me through the rest of the year. And what I would often do when I purchase a book is I will do short clips of me opening up the packaging. And then a fun thing I'll do is like thumb through the page just like that and end on the cover. So that's a fun little look that you can do. We got this, we got our stickers. And so something else you can do too, if you get multiple packages at the same time and you want to support a bunch of small businesses, but make one piece of content, is do like the girls do on YouTube and do like a little haul where you put them all together and kind of arrange them like that. So you could do, 2 to 3 seconds on that, 2 to 3 seconds on your stickers, on your Joy Bombs, and then you could do one last shot of all of them together. So that would be a great post that you could do on Instagram, on LinkedIn. It would perform well, and it's a great way for you to support people. All right, so now for mail that came to me. It is Natalie Frank's second book. I was on her launch team for her first book. I was the launch team leader, and that was for the book Built to Belong. This is Natalie's second book with Hachette. It's called Gutsy. Oh, that's exciting. It is autographed, has my name. I would, again, unpack it. So I think I will actually save this packaging so I can recreate it. Or I could create it now and save it for later. And this would be a perfect way for me to help Natalie promote her book launch when her book officially goes on sale on Amazon. So if you have friends that are authors who send you early copies of their book, utilize the same unboxing technique to help them to get their name out on your social media through a little video. Oh, this is from Groove. Oh, it's pink. I didn't know it was gonna be. Oh, y'all did good with this one. Okay. Mail. All right, so this is from Lex. So she sent me Test Track Tune growth trackers, her stickers. I'm gonna quickly do. Welcome to growth trackers. Love you stickers. And then we'll get close up there. There. Do those together. And then I'll do the last thing here. Get my name in it. This is so great. And do the reveal. So good. Thanks, Lex. Send me mail. I like it.
This series is sponsored by Groove. Groove is an app that surrounds you with people who light you up as you conquer your to-dos. It's my favorite virtual co-working space designed for busy, creative entrepreneurs who don't have traditional work teams and crave support. Since it's on your phone, you can co-work from anywhere in the world anytime you need to get stuff done. Over time, I've built deep friendships with Groovers that I work with regularly. The vibe of this app reminds me of sitting down at a table with friends at a coffee shop. But with Groove, I can hang out with a friend in London, Israel, and LA all at the same time. By grooving my work tasks, I've been able to get more defocused work done, so it frees me up to do more of the things that I love. If you're craving a burst of energy and accountability in your life, visit LaShondaBrown.com/groove to create your free account today.
Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you check out my video about my Happy Mail station. And don't forget, visit LaShondaBrown.com/groove to create your free Groove account today.